Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordanbikes, and today we have for sale this stunning looking Ninja 650 ABS. So it started off as an ER6, then they adapted it into a Ninja, so now they look awesome as well. So 2017 on a 17 plate, 6,890 miles, and some nice extras. So you've got the nice dark Kawasaki screen, plus the standard 2. You've got some radiator guards in there, you've got R&G crash protection on this bike too. This one's also got the seat cowl and tail tidy too. Rear seat is included with the sale as well. And then on this side, of course, you've got some more R&G protection at this side and an awesome sounding Akrapovic end can. The baffle is in. I'll give it a start up so you can have a listen, but if you want even more noise, that baffle can be taken out and it will make a big difference on this. And then coming over the top, I'll just turn the display on so you can see that. So you've got analog rev counter and then a digital display as well with a gear indicator, miles per gallon counters and things like that. So proper awesome machine. If you do fancy it, please do get in touch either by our Facebook site or just send us an email at sales@jordanbikes.com and we'll give you a call back. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.